Hey, Scott Murray here, Level 5 Tools. I want to introduce you to some of the upgrades that we've made on our pump. Our pump's a workhorse, our #1 seller by far, because it'll work with any brand of competitive drywall, automatic drywall finishing tools. But just a few upgrades that we've made to the pump, even though, again, it's a workhorse and we sell thousands and thousands of these a year just because it's built very, very well. But several things we've done. We've upgraded the plunger material to a proprietary urethane rubber type material. Absolute perfectly smooth operation. You'll find this pump that it just works absolutely beautifully. We've gone to an upgraded industrial latch system. So this latch system is adjustable versus the old twist latches. I mean, these will pop off and you've got a small adjustment on the bottom here. So if you want to tighten up a latch or loosen a latch, you can do that right on the latch, because latches over time with this kind of pressure will tend to stretch. So that gives you adjustability, so those latches should last even longer. We've upgraded this from a red color anodized tube to a hard coat black anodized tube, which is going to last far longer. Hard coat black anodizing is far more expensive, but it's about 2 to 3 times thicker than color anodizing, so it's going to be a lot more scratch resistant, corrosion resistant, and easy to clean. Inside and out is anodized, so again, that's going to add to that smooth operation. Think of cookware coating. When you feel this pump, you'll notice it's very, very smooth, scratch resistant, corrosion resistant once again, so you're going to get a really long wear life out of that. High quality anodizing on the handle. Our pump comes with a filler, so we don't bait and switch you where we say, oh, you got to buy a pump and then, oh, you got to go ahead and buy a filler, and some others fillers are as much as $100. You know, we want you to be able to use that tool right out of the box. So we've got our filler. You notice our filler, really kind of proprietary to Level 5. We got a longer filler. This is when you're using something like a 4-inch angle head and you get it in the bucket on a corner applicator box. You want to have a little bit more distance from your pump so it's easier to fill. So we went ahead and made our filler about 1 inch longer than any other competitive models out there. Like every other tool with Level 5, it comes with a repair kit. So you've got a variety of gaskets and bushings in here so that if you need to update and upgrade your pump, you've already got some spare parts in there. Of course, again, it's easy clean. We've got the easy remove grenade pins here, the latch system, and of course the easy remove foot that you can just pop this pin out of there and clean it out top to bottom very, very easily. So again, upgrades to the pump, check it out at level5tools.com, and welcome to the Red Zone.